Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change a cabin air filter in a Prius C. This video will work for 2012 to 2018 Prius Cs, and this vehicle happens to be a 2015 Prius C. So it's pretty simple, let's get to it. Okay, so the cabin air filter in this vehicle is behind the glove box. So you just want to get this out of the way first thing. So you just open it, and then over here you want to pinch these tabs and then get this little thing off of here and get it out of the way. And then you can just kind of pull up to get this out of here. And then just get it out of the way. Okay, so this is where the cabin air filter is. So right here you just want to pull this tab, squeeze it, and then pull it forward and kind of wiggle it out. And then this is going to be your cabin air filter. And putting the new one in is just as easy as taking the old one out. So you just slide it into where you took the old one from. And then you replace this plastic piece. Just kind of snaps right in there. Alright guys, and the last step is just getting the glove box back on. So you just kind of line up the brackets and then give it a good push. But don't forget to attach this little guy over here onto this thing. And that's that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, there wasn't a lot to that, so go ahead and check out my other Prius C videos and hopefully they can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.